Have you eaten ram jollof rice before? Let me show you today how to make it. Okay, so you're going to place your big pot and then you start cooking your ram meat. Season it with the seasonings of your choice, and then make sure you stir on that and saute it for about 3 minutes until it is brown, and then add in water just enough to cook it until it is soft and tender. After that, take it out and then you're going to put it in the oven, let it grill, or you fry it. It's all your choice. Then I'm going to fry my onions for about 30 seconds, add in some bay leaf, and then after that go in with my tomato paste, fry for about 5 minutes. Then I'll go in with my mixed pepper and I'll stir on that very well, and then I'll go in with jollof seasoning, 2 seasoning cubes, and then some curry powder. Then I'll go in with my stock and then stir on that very well for it to mix together. I'll cover and let it steam for some seconds, and then I'm going to add in my washed rice and stir for everything to come together beautifully. Cover it without adding any water and then let it toast for about 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, stir on that. If you have a little burnt, it's all fine, don't worry. Then put water side by side. Just pour the water side by side, not in the center. You're going to shake it gently, cover that and let it cook until the water dries off, just like this. Stir periodically. Then I'm going to add in my butter and then I will stir on it. You're adding this butter so that it will not be too moist, okay? So after stirring everything very well, I'll cover that for about 2 to 3 minutes for the butter to soak up well. Then I'll go in with my grilled ram meat and put in some onions for that flavor that we want. And look at that, we've just made ourselves this delicious ram jollof rice. You want to stir on that a little bit, just the way you see me doing, and then cover it again and let it just stay for some seconds and open it, then serve and enjoy. Look at this beautiful delicious jollof rice, and that is how to make ram jollof rice. Okay, not every day is for chicken, try and use ram too. And I served it with some salad, and then look at that, looks so delicious and yummy. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, remember that Jesus loves you so much. I will say bye.